So yesterday I was gonna go shoot some footage of my friend Kevin's chopper that he built from his brother's, using his brother's old Buell racing motor that puts out a shitload of horsepower. It died on the way to the we was going to go to Union Terminal. It died on the way. Thought it was the battery. We pushed it back to Todd's, went and got the truck. And while we were there, we were a couple blocks from Blue Hell Blacksmith studio. So me and Broadus went up to Blue Hell and hung out there. We're up at Blue Hell Studios in Cincinnati, Ohio, off of Blue Rock Road, north side, and shooting one of Broadus's blacksmith friends. Chris owns it, and we're going to do a little thing about his shop here. So really quickly, tell me about the Arm & Hammer anvil.
It was started by, the company was started by a guy who got fired from another anvil company because he didn't get along with the foreman.
Ready?
That's about it.
And he did what after he was fired?
After he was fired, he broke back into the anvil making shop and finished his job because he loved making anvils so much.
He started his own anvil company.
Yeah.
So what did you do to your eye, Chris?
I was grinding and I got 3 pieces of metal in my eye, in my left eye, the one that looks pretty. Yeah. The optometrist, the nurse there, she said, your eye is very angry. Yeah.
Man, it would be pretty neat if you could catch it every time.
That would be pretty sweet. I'm trying to clean it up, so this stuff is moving out of here. We're starting to set up the tools. I'm actually building a new table once I get paid for the tree, and then get another welder back here. But yeah.
Yeah, it's about 3 pounds. I did a little bit of research on it, and apparently it's a axe maker's hammer.
Really?
The axe makers like them.
But I don't know. It was nice to have. My wife just here, which makes me think that at one point there might have been some kind of system where you could lock it. But I it's gonna happen. I can't wait to get those positioned where I want them. Get the old forge back here working again.
Yes, I would start trying to work out. Straighten it out.
Yep, this is Whitney. What's your last name, Whitney?
Whitney McFarland.
Whitney is a blacksmith here in Blue Hell.
That's that right there is my forge. I built that forge. That's Cody actually helped me build that forge. That is a ribbon burner. I got the plans for that from Wayne Co. You can go on Wayne Co.'s website and find plans for that. He'll help you 100% through the process on that. This is a trail hammer that I bought that I wish I didn't, but it still works. That's a 24-ton press that I got from Uncle Al. I use it for everything. I'm happy. I don't know what I'm trying to do here ultimately. Everything I've tried to do here is just strictly for the purpose of, I don't know what the plan is, but we're just going ahead. We're going to continue to go forward until something actually sticks, and we're the goal is to try to make people. The goal is to try to create magic. That's the goal.
See you guys. And then today, Broadus had a job doing demonstrations in Vevay, the blacksmith demonstration. So I shot them.
Hey. Set a little. You bite off a little bit of material here for the shank. See, there's on offset. And I make another one here. Just bring it down. So then once you have those two offsets, bring this material down to the shank. And then after you draw this all the way down, you try to fit it in here. This isn't ready yet, I'm not going to take all those heats. So once it fits in there, this will sit at the top, and you cut it off just a little bit above, about a 1/4 inch, and you flatten it out. I guess you have it now?
I got it.
And you flatten it out, you get that.
Hopefully not so off center.
So you're making nails today at Sleepy Hollow?
Making nails. Bottle openers.
Let's see your bottle opener.
Nest hooks.
That's nice. We'll go test Rodis's bottle opener that he made today.
Let's say I want to pause. Now it's pause. Now I might want to look at what I'm doing. Now you say ready. And then we're going again. And that's we're done with the lead, so I get to take a break. So again, let's go over here.
And that's it. I'm working on a couple projects this week, and we'll see how that goes. Kids are out there playing tag. You can hear them. Good weather. Won't be soon. Going to be bad weather, so I guess they can out there make noise while they can.
You might as well say goodbye.
Yep.